Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 17th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So today is FOMC interest rate day. I will be live streaming for that news event starting 30 minutes before the news drops, so definitely make sure you check that out on YouTube. Now, we do have a little bit of a bounce right here, but we definitely don't have a breaker structure. We definitely do not have like a significant higher low. And now that we actually broke this structure right here, I would have a hard time not being bearish the dollar. I think it would at least go down and take out this structure over here. It also looks to be like a 1, 2, 3. So, maybe we're going to get a push down at the news and do like a spike reversal thing. I mean, if it does like a spike reversal, break structure to the upside, then yeah, definitely would go back to being long the dollar. But as of right now, I really see no reason to not still be bearish the dollar. I would expect to see another wave down, and if it doesn't reverse back up and just keeps on making lower lows, lower highs, then great. We'll just keep on looking for shorts the dollar via the dollar pairs themselves. If the news comes out that makes like a spike down and then it comes back up and breaks this high, then we'll stop looking for shorts on the dollar. We'll start looking for longs on the dollar via the dollar pairs. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.